Hello everyone, so today we are back in this video and today we will study about the spherical mirrors from the light chapter. So what does the spherical mirror means? First of all, what does the word sphere means? Sphere means a round figure. Okay, it is not a perfect circle, but a round figure means sphere. Now this spherical mirror means a curved mirror or a mirror which is the part of the sphere. The mirror which is curved or which is the part of the sphere is known as a spherical mirror. So there are mainly two types of spherical mirror, concave and convex. In a mirror where the reflecting side is inwards, the reflecting side is inward and the polished side is outward. Is known as the concave mirror. The word cave means gufa. So this is the cave. गुफा का मुंह कैसा रहता है? गुफा का मुंह ऐसा रहता है. So this cave shows the concave mirror where the reflecting side will be inwards and the polished side will be outwards, and the opposite will be in the convex mirror. Here the inner surface will be polished and the outer surface will be reflecting. So these mirrors are represented as this and this. Here the reflecting surface is this one. Here the reflecting surface is this one. So concave and convex mirror have a very useful effects in our life. But first we will study the parts of this concave and convex mirror and how the images are formed in the concave and convex mirror. This is a concave mirror. The light rays will come and get reflected. And after the reflection, these light rays will appear to meet at a point, and this point will be known as focus of the mirror. Now let us talk about the center of curvature. The center of the sphere from where the mirror is cut off is the center of curvature. So here this will be the center of curvature. This point will be the center of curvature. The point where when we will draw a straight line from the focus by joining center of curvature to focus, then it will come straight. It will meet the mirror at a point which will be known as the pole. Pole is basically the center of the mirror. The line between the distance between the pole and the focus is the focal length, and the distance between the pole and the center of curvature is the radius of curvature. Or the principal axis. So the center of curvature, focus, pole, focal length and radius of curvature, this all lies on the principal axis. Now let us talk about the concave mirror. Okay, so convex, and now we will talk about concave mirror. In a concave mirror, the light rays will meet, it will not appear to meet, the light rays will actually meet at a point, and the concave mirror will converge the rays. What does converge means? To concentrate the rays in a point, and this will diverge or spread it. After light rays strike the mirror, it will get reflected back again, and the point where the reflected rays will meet, here this reflected rays appear to meet in the focus, but here the rays are actually meeting in the focus. This will be the sphere. This will be the center of curvature, which will be denoted as C. This will be the pole of the mirror. This will be the principal axis. Or the radius of curvature. The best example of convex and concave mirror can be shown in a spoon. This side bulges outward, so this is a convex mirror. Here this side is curved inward, so this is a concave mirror. This is a convex mirror. This is a concave mirror. And always remember, the old focal length, radius of curvature, focus, center of curvature, principal axis, all these are behind the mirror in a convex mirror. In a convex mirror, these all things are behind the mirror. But in a concave mirror, the focus, center of curvature, principal axis, focal length and everything is in front of the mirror, not behind. Convex mirror and concave mirror are very different and the opposite of each other. Now let us see the images formed. Okay, the concave mirror. The concave mirror always forms a real image. What is a real image? The image which can be taken on a screen is known as real image. Inverted and enlarged. A concave mirror always forms an enlarged image, and when the object is placed very close, this is when the object far. But when the object is placed close to the mirror, the image is enlarged but it becomes virtual and erect. What does erect means? Erect means upright, straight, and inverted means upside down. If this is a concave mirror and this is a candle, it will form a real image. So the light rays coming will meet at a point, focus, and the image of the candle will be formed and taken on the screen, but the image formed will be real, ulta. Its up will seem to be down and the down part will be up. But in the case of convex mirror, image formed is always virtual and erect. Wherever you place the object, the image will remain virtual and erect. Even the image will be diminished, means smaller than the object. Okay, now let us see the uses. Concave mirror is used sometimes in a magnifying glass or magnifying mirror. Magnifying mirror. These are used by dentists to see an enlarged view of your teeth. And in the convex mirror, it forms a smaller image, so it is used as a rear view mirror in cars. Rear view mirror in the cars, so that it can form a smaller image. Now let me show you the diagrams of concave and convex mirror. This is a convex mirror. This is the polished side. Center of curvature. focus, focal length, principal axis, or the radius of curvature, and here will be the pole. This will be the incident rays, and the reflected ray will bulge outwards, means it will get diverged. So convex mirror is also known as diverging mirror. This will be the incident rays and this will be the reflected ray. And these rays will meet at a point focus. It will appear to meet, and when the light rays appear to meet, then the image form will be virtual and erect. But when the light rays will really meet after reflection, then it will be a real image. So in a convex mirror, this will be the pole, this will be the focus, this will be the focal length, this will be the center of curvature, this will be the principal axis or radius of curvature. This will be the incident rays. Okay, let me write FL and principal axis, let me write PA. The light rays after reflecting will meet at a point. Will not appear to meet, but it will really meet at a point. So the inner point focus. So here the image form will be real and inverted, and as the light rays are getting converged, are coming closer to one another, it will be a converging mirror. These are the incident rays. These are also the incident rays. These are the reflected rays. These are also the reflected rays. Okay, thank you for watching my video. In the next video, we will study the lenses.